has time period t in vacuum. वैक्यूम में जब रखा है सिंपल पेंडुलम तो उसका टाइम पीरियड है t. Its time period when it's completely immersed in a liquid of density 1/8 of the density of the material of the bob. Okay. When the bob is in air or vacuum, its periodic time is t. Now the bob is completely immersed in a liquid whose density is how much? 1/8 of the density of the material. Density of the material ka 1/8 time. Okay. When the bob is in vacuum or air, the effective acceleration due to gravity is g, and its periodic time t is 2 pi under root L by g. L is length of the bob, g is acceleration due to gravity. Now, when it is immersed in the liquid, what will happen? Upthrust will act on it. And due to that upthrust, its weight will decrease. Weight of the bob will decrease. Weight, not mass. Weight of the bob will decrease, means effective acceleration due to gravity, it will decrease here because upward force is acting on it. How much upthrust will be acting on it? Upthrust, if you know, it is V rho G. Rho is density of the liquid and V is volume of the solid which is immersed. Archimedes principle, yaad karo. So, upthrust equal to V rho G will act on it, and the density of the liquid is 1/8 of the density of the material. So you don't have to go on calculating it. Upthrust will depend upon density of the liquid, which is 1/8 of density of the solid. Okay, so the effective acceleration due to gravity will decrease by 1/8. Getting the point? क्योंकि upthrust कितना act हो रहा है? 1/8 times. Upthrust is acting 1/8 times. पूरा फॉर्मूला लिख के कैलकुलेशंस करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. The upthrust is 1/8 times, means effective acceleration due to gravity will decrease by 1/8 times. It will decrease by 1/8 times, means it will become 7/8 times. The effective acceleration due to gravity will be 7/8 times g. इसको अच्छी तरह से समझने का प्रयास करो. ओके, वैसे हम इसको फॉर्मूला लिख के पूरा कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हैं. ओके, कि अपथ्रस्ट कितना है, देन comparing it with the density of the solid and all that. But you can directly, what you remember, the upthrust depends upon this density of the liquid. Density of the liquid is 1/8 times, means upthrust is 1/8 times of the total weight, means the effective acceleration due to gravity, upward होने के कारण effective acceleration due to gravity is decreasing by 1/8. Decreasing by 1/8 means it becomes 7/8 times g. So now the new periodic time will be 2 pi under root L by, in place of g, now it will be 7/8 times g. So t dash is equal to 2 pi under root L by g into under root 8/7. So new periodic time will be root 8/7 times the original periodic time. So which one it is? It is, I think, D. The new period will be under root 8/7 times t. Right?